If you guys want to see how we went from this to this, then to finally this right here, just stay tuned to the video. So before we start to put the glue on, we're just gonna go ahead and I'm saying we, well yeah we, because y'all watching me do it, so we doing it together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the air tabs and then go and adjust the wig to my liking. Now the wig did not come with a band in it. I really don't like the bands anyway, so it really didn't make a difference. But the wig did fit like perfectly. I'm telling you, the wig fit perfectly. As you can see, when I cut off the air tabs, I didn't really cut off any hair, any excess hair, so it was still a lot of hair on there. Now moving forward, I made sure I clean off my hairline where I was gonna apply the glue with some alcohol. Even though you're not supposed to use rubber alcohol, that's what I had, so I used the rubber alcohol. I'm just going to go ahead and split it in threes. Now, I should have split the other side as deep as I did this side, but I didn't. But I'm going to, like, later on in the video. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and put in the glue. Now, the glue I'm using is Ghost Swan because that's all I have available at the moment. So I'm going to use 3 layers of that. And then I'm going to come back when we start cutting off the lace and styling the wig. Now that the glue is done, we're just gonna go ahead section by section and lay the lace down in the areas that we got the glue in. Now you might miss a few spots and have to go in afterwards, but that's really normal. You just clean it up. But what I will say is I had to go in and use some more glue again at the air tabs because this glue dries super freaking fast. So I would say you just gotta move at a fast pace because the glue is going to be drying fast.
These games. Why you keep playing this? Why you keep playing these games? Why you keep playing? Why you keep playing these games? Yeah. Tell him, baby. Yeah. Why you keep playing these games? Yeah. Why you keep playing these? Yeah. Why you keep playing these games? Yeah. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Baby, you bad. Fuck the niggas in the past. And if your ex ever run down, we gon' leave.
Now that I finally got it laid down to my liking, I'm gonna alternate in between the Got To Be spray and this free spray right here. I was just testing out this spray just to see how I would like it. And now that I'm recording, I've had the wig on for a couple of days. Well, now that I'm doing a voiceover and editing a video, I had the wig on for a couple of days. And I would say I still like the Got To Be better because the purple can that I showed you guys, it kind of leaves like a hard look on the lace. So I wouldn't suggest that one. So I am going in blow drying it on cool setting, okay, on the very cool setting. And once you blow dry, you're just gonna tie it down. Now my camera did die, so here we are. I'm gonna show you guys how to do two styles. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did the middle part with this wig, and then I'm gonna show you at the end how I did the side part as well, because I just wanted to show you guys the versatility in the wig itself. So just continue to watch the video, and then I'll see y'all again.
Playing these games with you, you treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you, and you wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you, and niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you.
Now that we're blow drying and styling the wig, I first go in with my hot comb first to just straighten out the roots as straight as possible before I go in with my flat iron from Drybar. Now I'm going to do that all throughout the hair. I would suggest using smaller pieces, but I was kind of rushing and I was just going through it because I knew the hair felt so good. I wouldn't really necessarily need to use the same pieces that's the size of the iron that I'm using. So I just went ahead and did that, and I'm going to continue to alternate between the hot comb and the flat iron. As you can see, this hair is so freaking soft. It's so flowy. It's so shiny. I have not used any product in there as far as heat protecting, any oils, any serum, nothing. Okay, nothing at all. Now that the wig is fully styled, we're gonna go in and cut off the lace finally. So it should have been melting all this time, okay? Now I'm going to use my scissors. I would normally say to use an eyebrow razor or something like that. That's more sharp, but I had the scissors, and that's what we gonna just go. We just gonna go with the flow and use what we got. Now I was not cutting any lines with the scissors. I was literally just dragging the scissors along the lace, so it wasn't a harsh line when it's cutting. Just straight dragging it straight across. Okay, you guys, so this is how the first style is looking. This is how the wig looks in the middle part. The hair is so nice. It's smooth, it's soft. It wasn't shedding. It literally did not shed. Like, not one piece of hair came out, okay? So I would say it's A1. I did not put any foundation or anything on the middle part to define it because I know I was not going to keep it in the middle part style. I just wanted to show you guys a different option of styling before I put the style that I wanted. I just wanted to give you guys just more options, basically. So this is how the back of the wig looks. Very flowy, very nice. So the next clip is going to be the side part. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I love this side part. I don't know, the side parts got me in a chokehold, and I'm not letting go. They not letting go of me, and I'm not letting go of them. I'm telling you, okay? But this is my first wig from Shein, and I gotta say, I did not think their wigs were gonna be like this. Like, I've seen videos and I've been speculating, but I'm telling you, now that I have my own experience, it's a 10 out of 10. Like 10 out of 10. I've had this wig on for like a week now. Still no tangling, no nothing, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and let me know how you feeling. Yeah, I'm out, y'all. Bye.